Understanding PhD Duration, a comprehensive guide.
Hello there. Today we're going to discuss a commonly asked question. What is the typical duration of a PhD course? If you've ever thought about pursuing a doctorate, this information will be particularly helpful for you. So, let's get started.
What is a PhD?
Before we dive into the duration, let's take a brief moment to define a PhD. A PhD, or Doctor of Philosophy, is the highest academic degree that can be awarded by universities in most countries. A PhD requires the creation of new knowledge or the use of existing knowledge in a new and innovative way.
Typical duration of a PhD.
Now, to the main question. How long does it usually take to complete a PhD? This can vary significantly depending on the country, the field of study, the university, and the specific project, but on average, a full-time PhD typically takes between 3 to 6 years. In some countries like the UK, a full-time PhD usually lasts 3 to 4 years, while in the US, it is often between 5 to 6 years. If you're studying part-time, it might take longer, possibly up to 6 to 8 years. Remember, these are average durations, and it's quite common for PhD students to take somewhat more time to complete their research and dissertation.
Factors influencing PhD duration.
So, what factors can influence the duration of a PhD? 1. Research topic. The complexity and novelty of your research can significantly impact the duration. Some topics require extensive data collection and analysis, which can prolong the research process. 2. Supervisor's guidance. The guidance of your supervisor can be crucial. Experienced supervisors can help streamline the research process and prevent common pitfalls. 3. Funding. Your research funding could also influence how long it takes you to finish. Limited or uncertain funding can create delays. 4. Personal circumstances. Lastly, personal circumstances like health, family, or work responsibilities can influence the duration. In conclusion, while there's a general timeline for completing a PhD, it's essential to remember that every student's journey is unique. If you're considering a PhD, I hope this video has given you a helpful overview of what to expect. Remember, the goal is not just about finishing quickly, but about making a significant contribution to your field of study. So take your time, enjoy the process, and good luck with your academic journey.